Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're ready to start. Park level and set the parking brake so the vehicle won't roll. Once done, turn off the engine and remove the key or press power off. This prevents electrical locks. Walk to the driver's side rear quarter and visually confirm the fuel door. You'll need a clear angle to access the release. Make sure there's light and space. Grab the owner's manual only if your model has an unusual release location. You'll now release the fuel door. Inside, pull the fuel door lever or press the // button marked with a fuel icon. This pops the latch. If there's no interior release, press the right edge of the door. Many Siennas have a push-to-release mechanism. Once it pops, reach in and swing the door open until the hinge or catch seats. The reason is to keep it from rebounding while you remove the cap. Make sure the door stays open, otherwise it can snap shut. Now remove the gas cap by turning it counterclockwise. You'll hear clicks as the seal releases. Those clicks are normal. Once off, hang the cap on the fuel door hook or place it on a clean surface so it won't get dirty. After fueling, align the cap and turn clockwise until it clicks multiple times to ensure the seal and check valve are secure. This prevents vapor leaks and warning lights. If the cap is stuck, use a rubber cloth for grip or a short
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.